Shelly and Fraser, Pryce and Sha'Carri Richardson to face off in Kenya. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Jamaica's three-time Olympic gold medalist Shelly and Fraser Pryce and American sprinter Sha'Carri Richardson are scheduled to compete at the Kip Keino Classic in Nairobi, Kenya on May the 7th, organizers have confirmed. The two are the latest stars to be unveiled by the organizers ahead of the one-day track meet championship. Besides winning 3 Olympic gold medals in her explosive career, Shelly and Fraser Pryce also boast of her 4 Olympic silver medals, 1 bronze Olympic medal, and 9 World Championship medals. Richardson continued her return to the top competition after being kicked out of the US 2020 Summer Olympics team after testing positive for cannabis use. Before the Tokyo Olympics, she recorded the 6th fastest time in 100 meters. Her personal best stands at 10.72 seconds. The Kip Keino Classic is part of the Continental Tour Gold Series by World Athletics. The action-packed event boasts top teams and talents from Africa and other countries, giving athletes a chance to compete at an international level while reaching fans all over the world. A total of 265 athletes compete at the 2021 staging of the event, with the 2-time World Athletics Championship 100-meter winner Justin Gatlin the star attraction. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.